Assalamualaikum. This is Sameem Sajjad, an ambitious student of Islamia University of Bahawalpur, currently enrolled in the Department of English Literature. I wrote this letter on cultural treasures and natural wonders of Pakistan to highlight and elaborate the natural wonders and rich tapestry of Pakistani culture. Cultural heritage. We have palaces, we have forts, and we have the splendid and magnificent desert of Cholistan. And we're gonna show all of our rich tapestry and all of our cultural heritage to the outside world. Pakistan is a miraculous land. We have mountain ranges, we have rare wildlife, beautiful lakes, rivers, and we have very beautiful hotels in the north.